Mamata Banerjee reacted to demonetization.
Not reacted.
Mr.
Not reacted. Why on the other day you get a... What did she say? Withdraw this draconian decision. Give me 50 days. And after that, any punishment is good for me. Trash. Trash. What happened after 50 days? Come on, let's get real. All the hype and the hoopla and everything else, where has Narendra Modi and Amit Shah delivered? Delivered. We're talking about comparing one lady with chappals with a man in a Kashmiri shawl. That's not important.
Those are optics, sir. Those are optics. We're not talking about...
This is not about optics. This is about ideology. What do you believe in? Do you believe that those farmers... Do you believe that a bill can be passed in Rajya Sabha in that way? Can you believe that be it Congress MPs or CPM MPs or Trinamool MPs standing there and asking for a division? It's my right not as an MP. It is my right as a citizen of India to ask for a vote. Why didn't you ask for a vote? Why? You really want to know the story why? With all respect to the chairman, because Modi and Shah told them, no vote, pass this bill. So Mamta Di has a deep ideology. GST, what did you do for GST? We were pro-GST. We all cooperated with Mr. Jaitley. Dr. Mitra was the chairman of the Empowerment Committee. What did you do? You just screwed up the implementation of GST. So we start comparing. Yes, you have every right as a journalist to ask me about comparing. But one delivers, the other doesn't deliver. And only hype. Another hype will come yesterday. Citizenship Amendment Act. Where is your Citizenship Amendment Act? Where? You want to talk real parliament? You want to talk real issues? When a bill gets passed in both houses of parliament, sorry Preeti, when a bill gets passed both houses of parliament, what happens? President signs it. Within 6 months, you have to have the rules. All bills. Within 6 months, 95, 99%, the rules are made. What have you done with the Citizenship Act? You say no rules. 6 months, no rules. 3 months, no rules. 3 months, no rules. Now you're saying COVID.
All right, sir. So
Murgi mat banao. Murgi mat banao. And that is why, with all humility, we really do believe this kind of mahal banane, we will win this seats, we will win that seats. I heard what the number Mamta Di gave yesterday. I heard. And I heard the number
Mr. Shah gave.
200
se upar Purn Bahumat.
So there aren't 400 seats in the assembly, na? Please call us back at next year's conclave to see whether the lady with the chappals were right or the manager of the tourist gang was right.
All right. Now we have 7 minutes. We're going to go express on all our questions. You talk about ideology, sir. The TMC ideology, what is the constructive ideology of the TMC? It's steeped in anti-left, anti-Congress. If there is no Mamta, what is the TMC ideology? You already have defection. You have an Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary who comes out and says, merge with us.
I'm a little sad that you're asking me this now. I've just told you on land what is our ideology. I've just told you when we give out a health card here in Bengal, 10 crore health cards are being given out. That's our ideology. It's a blue card. It doesn't matter. A blood test is not done to check whether you're Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist before you're given the blue card. That is our ideology. Our ideology is that 69 lakh girls get the scheme, which is a WAVE Kanyashri scheme which got a UN award, unlike a Beti Bachao, where more than 70% of the Beti Bachao expenditure is based on advertising. That is our ideology. So when you talk about ideology, you have to talk to me about facts. Our ideology is, when you say you will double farmer income, the Honorable Prime Minister said it, he said he'll double farmer income by 2022. At current rates, that will not happen before 2028. Mamata Banerjee didn't double farmer income in Bengal from 2011 to now. She's tripled farmer income. This is ideology. There's a difference between ideology and hype. You can change your t-shirt. You can change your shawl. You can change your kurta. But you can't change your ideology. If you really had ideology, why aren't you talking about demonetization anymore? If you really have ideology, why did you all oppose GST when you were in Gujarat?